Hello everyone, my name is Shuangliang Chen. In this tutorial, you will learn how to install Windows subsystem for Linux, and then this allows you to execute the right executable for the Linux distribution. So the first thing we want to do is check your Windows 10 version. You want to upgrade your Windows 10 to the latest, or if you're on a Windows 11, you don't have to do anything. The next thing is to open up search bar, type PowerShell, and then you want to launch as admin. You want to launch as administrator. And then if you're in this terminal now, you can type WSL -- install. And then it's going to install everything you need for WSL, including a Ubuntu distribution. And then after it's finished install, it will prompt to supply your username. You will set this however you like it. I'm just going to type your name here, so you just type whatever username you prefer for the Linux. Hit enter. It's going to prompt you for a password. You're going to type in that password, type it again, and it's going to say installation successful. All right, the next step, you can see the terminal now already, but to make your life a little bit easier to work with all the labs and writing codes, let's close this window. And then you'd want to download VS Code. So I think most of you use VS Code, so to open up a new VS Code window, and then we're gonna need an extension called WSL, and then you might want to grab that, install this. I've already installed the WSL the extension, so here's that. And then to use this extension, we're gonna click Remote Explorer. So this computer-like icon, click that. And then in the drop-down, you're gonna see your Ubuntu machine that we just installed. This is the other one that I personally use. This one is for the testing. And then we're gonna click Connect in New Window. You should see it's been automatically detected once you install the WSL, so it should be there. Right? You're gonna click Open File, and then it's gonna default to your home environment, home path. So click OK. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Open a folder. Sorry. Open a folder, and then still this home path, and then open it. Right? Let's close this. Okay. Now you're in this, and then you can edit all the files within, and then you can just write code like that, like you normally would. The next step is to get the right binaries. For all these distributions, since we're using WSL, you need to use this RAI Linux AMD 64, and then you're gonna download it. And then it's probably gonna sit in your download path here, RAI Linux AMD 64. And then we're gonna bring it in. So sudo copy, so mnt stands for mount, and then it's in my case it's C drive users, and then Chen1. This is my username path, and then you might have your own username. You need to change this field, and it's downloads. Whenever you want autocomplete, you can just hit tab. It's gonna autocomplete the path, and then our executable's name is RAI something. And then we can just bring it to the current location. It's gonna prompt you for your password again. All right, now we have the executable into this home directory. The next step we want to do is change its name to just right, so it's more consistent with the instruction. And then we also want to add executable permission to write. All right. Now we have that. You can either use it by supplying its full path to write, or if you want to call write anywhere you want, you have to do one final step. So sudo move write into user local bin. So user local bin is considered like environmental path. So whichever executable in that location can be called from anywhere. So the system will recognize write from now on. Now it's done, and then you can just call write, and then supply your mp0 folder. Yeah, in this case I have an error because I do not have mp0, but that's the end of the installation and setting up write. You will need to supply your write credential as well as clone your mp0 folder. Just follow the rest of the tutorial and on the GitHub page. That's the end of the tutorial. Thank you very much.